aboard the Harris Cruiser 230 with deluxe interior. Look at this stuff. Oh yeah, it is awesome. Very comfy armrests, huge middle tune storage, and look at this captain's seat. Oh yeah, that is awesome. At the helm, we've got a Simrad holder for our phone, some physical buttons, steering wheel with tilt steering, wet sound stereo, and the throttle. Over here is a pop-up table, huge side door, and this is the single lounger layout. It's this L shape where you can lay out, and then of course you've got the sun lounger, which is very versatile. You can lay out like so, or drop it to the floor. Back there's a hidden cooler. This is a power bimini, which is very convenient. She's rocking a Mercury 200, ski tow point, fender storage, lily pad ladder. Is this the one for you?